Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the fast, easy, high quality way to fix those air hoses when they have a leak. Do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's get started.
This is one thing I cannot stand, is seeing these air hoses with a clamp like this on it. And I get that it's fast and easy to do, but there's a better way to do it, and it's reusable. I'm going to show you guys, because what happens is these clamps, they mess up your hands, they mess up, they scrape on things, they get caught on things. There's a better way. So you can just pull that off of there. So these, it's a quick, easy fix. These hose clamps, again, but here's a better thing, and you can get these just about anywhere. The factory pressed on fitting right there is great, and oftentimes the hose will crack or whatever, they'll start leaking on it. But you can get one of these, they sell them pretty much everywhere. I'll put a link down in the description, and this is not a sponsored video. And you can see where that hose clamp was. Just fit it into this bottom, feed it in through the bottom right here. And they sell them in the different sizes, 3/8 and 1/4 inch. So just make sure you're getting the right one, the right size. So I'm just going to feed it up through there like that. And then on this side, you fit it over like so. And then just slip that up. Like I'm just going to snug it up. So now it's snugged up tight. You don't have to go killer tight. Don't over tighten it. We're just snugging up it, to seal out air. There we go. Sorry about that noise. So now you can put whatever fitting you want on the end. It already comes with a little bit of sealant there on there. So now you see how that one twists right there, so it allows you to twist. So now I can snug that up and have a new fitting a lot better. Let's snug this up. I'll hold this. And there you go. A much heavier duty, better fitting. It's not going to slip. This is actually going to give us some protection on that hose. Got some spin there. So there you go. Highly recommend it. I love these. Far better than these hose clamps and these little fittings that go in. Let me show you what they normally look like. So stop buying these fittings like this and using hose clamps. There's a much better way to do it. Just use these right here. Reusable. So I can take that off when the hose gets worn out and take this to a different hose. So they last a long time. Work out great. Highly recommend them.
So that's it, guys. Quit using those little barbed fittings with the hose clamps. This is a much better repair. You can visit my Lowe storefront. I want to say these were like $11 for Lowe's. Anyway, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. These work out great, okay? It's a much better way to fix your air hose than those barbed fittings and a hose clamp that they get caught on things and they scratch up stuff and they scratch up your hand. So I'm just here to show you better ways to do things. If you do use some of my links, I would greatly appreciate it. But the best way to support the channel, just simply liking the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.